This video will show you how to navigate and use Storyboard That, which is a free web application that will allow you to create your own short storyboard or comic strip. This app will be useful for you because it can help you create a final product for one of the many projects that we will be completing throughout the year in this class. Instructions on creating a Storyboard That account are located under Materials in my iTunes U. Once you've created an account and are ready to get started, come up to the top right-hand corner and click on Create a Storyboard. This will take you to the Storyboard Creator screen. By default, this screen gives you a 3x1 grid. If you want to adjust the size of your storyboard, you can come down to the bottom and click on Add Cells. This gives you a number of different options for the size. However, since you have a free account, you are limited to either a 3x1 or a 3x2 grid. For the purpose of our class though, you shouldn't need more than a 3x2 grid, so don't worry about that. Once you've chosen your size, come down and select Update Storyboard, and then you're ready to get started. Let's say that I want to recreate the scene from To Kill a Mockingbird where Dill hides underneath Scout's bed and scares her. The first thing I want to do in my first cell is select a background. So I will come up to the top menu, and under Scenes, you'll notice that there are many different categories that I can choose from. I know that I want it to take place in Scout's bedroom, so I will select Home, Indoor. I will then scroll through the different options until I find the one that I want. Once I've selected the option I want, I will click on it and drag it and drop it in the cell. Once I do that, an edit menu opens up, and you can feel free to explore the many options in the edit menus. For example, you can rotate the picture, you can adjust the filter on it, you can change color of things in the picture. So let's say I want a different wall color, I can click on a different wall color. There are many different options available to you. Once you've selected all of your different colors and all of your different options, you can then add in different things to your scene. So let's say that I want to add the character Scout. I will again visit the top menu, select Characters, pick a category, scroll through my different options. I see that this girl has overalls just like Scout, so I will choose her, and again just click, and then drag and drop her into the scene. And I can adjust her size, her position, and again, look at the edit menu and choose different colors for her hair, eyes, skin, etc. On the characters, there's also an edit pose button, which if you click on it, it will open up this little pop-up, which allows you to adjust the position of her head, her expression, what her arms are doing. Let's say we want her to have her hand on her hip, we just click that, and then it shows up. However, if I already know that there's a certain kind of position I want her to have, for example, if I know that she's scared, I can just scroll down to these Insta poses, and I can click on Scared, and it will automatically create a pose for me. Once I've chosen the pose that I want, I will click Update Pose, and it will automatically update in the scene. So I have my background, I have a character. Let's say that I want her to be saying something. I can come up to Textables, and again, not as many categories, but there are still categories. And I can pick a speech bubble, drag and drop it, move it around, adjust the size. Again, there's an edit feature where you can adjust colors, filters, but at the bottom, there's also a place to input text. So let's say I want her to look like she's screaming. I just do that, and then it automatically appears. Once I have my first cell ready to go, I can move on to the next cell. However, if I want the same background and the same character, I don't have to go drag and drop through the same process. I can come down to the bottom where you see there's a button that says Copy Cells. If you click that, you can click the cell that you want to copy, click the cell you want to copy it to, and it automatically has the same character and the same background, which you can go in and edit from there. Or if I decide that I don't want to do that, there's always an undo button somewhere on that bottom menu. Click Done when you're finished, and then you're ready to keep going. Once you have your storyboard completely finished, you just come down here to the bottom and you click on Save. After this, it will automatically save the storyboard to your Storyboard That account. From there, you can go visit it on your Storyboard That account and you can re-edit it if you would like to, or you can download and save it to your computer as an image. There are many other different features of Storyboard That, but these are the basics that you will need to know for our class.